Good day, everyone. My name is Fritz Marvin M. Dayanan, and I am from Section C. So, my project title is Fritz Poker, which is kani, one siyang project. And ang Fritz Poker is a pet care web platform built with Symfony 7.3 and PHP 8.2, and it lets customers browse a shop, manage a cart, place orders, and book appointments. Staff and administrators use an admin panel to manage products, services, and appointments. The system also exposes a REST API with GWT authentication for a mobile customer app, so web and mobile share the same MySQL database. So in this recording, I will walk through the source code, our GitHub repository, the deployment process on Railway, a live demo of the hosted application, and a short reflection on challenges we face. So to start it off, madto ta sa atong source code overview. So mao ni tanan akong mga codes, mga files nga which is para mo gana ang ako ang system. So naatay source, napud tay templates, napud tay test, translation, var, vendor, and also napud tay public diri, as well as migrations, Docker, and mobile. Syempre, which is para mo gana ang ato mobile application, as well as ang docs na to para sa tong API documentation. So let's go sa ato ang mga entities. So mo ni akong mga entities. So mo ni siya tong domain model uses nga doctrine ORM with PHP attributes. Main entities nako is kani ang user service products payment order item order and appointment. Napo diri akong payment. So this maps directly to my syempre dito sa akong MySQL tables. So next, let's moadto ta sa ato ang controllers. So mo ni ako mga controllers. So ako controllers mo ni siya ang ga-handle sa akong HTTP request. Like for example, ang appointment controller. Na akong appointment controller. Um, ang appointment controller mo ni siya ga-implement sa customer appointment appointment CRUD. And admin controller na po syempre ang admin controller mo siya ang handle sa kung admin management of products and services. So next ana is maadto ta sa ato ang form. Mo ni akong form na akong form. So ang form mo ni siya we use Symfony form components for validations and rendering create edit forms in Twig. So next is maadto ta ato ang env example. Mao na siya na dili kong env example. And environment configuration is stored in env for local development. Like we commit env example, env dist, and as templates, but secrets are not pushed to the GitHubs. So ang important na dapat ma-include na sa akong env is ang app env, syempre ang app secret, app URL, database URL, data ay like database URL, GWT, passphrase, Brevo, syempre dapat diri ang Brevo nako, and ang Google Client ID and Google Client Secret, as well as the course allow origin. Next, let's move on to the next one is ito to din sa to ang doctrine. So ito to sa tong config config. Um, next is ang packages. Eh, Next atong doctrine. Ito tong doctrine ato diari na diri. Dara doctrine YML. So mo na akong doctrine. And napo diri akong Docker compose. Then akong Docker compose YML na diri. Na diri. Mo ni siya akong Docker compose YML. So database configuration is centralized in config, which is nadali config packages na to ang doctrine. And next, which mo ni siya ang ga-read sa atong database URL from the environment sa atong env, and as well as for local development we use Docker Compose with MySQL 8, PHP MyAdmin, and an app service built from our Docker file. So, nadiri itong Docker file. So, boss, nadiri itong Docker file. Diri sa itong Docker file. So, the compose file wars database URL to the MySQL container on the internal network. So, next, let's move on to our composer JSON. Importante po siya, guys. So, mo ni siya tong composer dependencies section. So kani na diri tanan nan. So to ang key Symfony related components and bundles we use Symfony framework, form security, mga validator, twig, mailer, serializer, and as well as Doctrine ORM and Doctrine migrations, API platform, Lex6 GWT, and a lot, yeah, kani sila tanan. Daghan tina din nakabutang. Yan. So our Docker file install PHP extensions, runs Composer, and uses Docker entry point.sh to wait for the database, run migrations, generate GWT keys, and start the web server. So now, let's move on for our GitHub repository. So, nadiri akong GitHub, ako na nag-open daan here. So, maunay ako ang history. Maunay akong history sa akong GitHub. So, ang name sa ako ang akong name sa akong GitHub username is maunay siya, FRTZ, this one, this one. So, the repository contains the complete source code, Symfony backend, Docker files, so maunay siya, migrations, templates, and syempre, and the mobile folder. So, here is maunay akong commit history. So naa diri akong putong pagpaadto na ako sa akong railway, fixed railway. So naa diri tanan. Di na diri akong mga entities, admin CRUD, API endpoints, Docker setup, and deployment fixes. So this shows incremental work. So not a single upload at the end. That's it, sir. Then next is, so mo ni siya. Balik ta dito sa tong kuan. Oh, so naa diri tanan. Then I will screw through the file tree to confirm everything is present. So diri ang source, nadala akong config, migration, templates, public, Docker file, Docker compose, railway, and readme of course na sa pinakalas. Next is, let's move on to the deployment process. So ato ta sa ato ang railway. Nandiri ako ang usa ning ipang X. So ato sa railway, this one na mao ni akong project in partial assets. So madto ko here. Okay, it's loading. Then after that, madto ko diri. Madto ko sa ako ang dashboard railway kung poker. Dito sa networking. So kung gamit nga port is 8080 mo, mo dito na sa ako ang kuan sa akong Docker file. So yeah, here. Mo na akong dashboard. This one. So we deploy kaning Fitz poker on railway using my Docker file and railway to TOML, so which sets the builder to Docker and configure a health check on. So naana na diri akong check on more. Naana sa deployment check dito siya. Dito sa view logs, build logs. Nan health check succeeded. So if ganahan ka mo kuan mo shop, then yeah, then na diri ang appointment. If ganahan ka mo, okay, mo login sa ako sa akong admin site or sa ako ang customer. admin. Okay. Here. So if kana ka mo create og appointment, pwede ka maka-create og appointment. So, Pritz. So example, iring. Kano sa among appointment date 11. Ako ang birthday ko na ba sa 2026. Mm, 11:11 p.m. Book appointment. And boom, na siya appointment for Pritz has been successfully. So pwede po ka mang delete na diri. If humanan na ang koan, ito na i-delete. Okay. Pwede po ta ka-delete. Tada. So, mao na siya pag-work sa ko ang system. So, nana diri, ako sa nang i-back settings. So, mao dyan niya ako ang railway, din akong port, which is kanya akong port. So, again, ako siyang ibalik ha to assure that it is really working good. So, mao na ni siya na set up na ako daan katong last time. So, I have just to click the link sa akong network, which is kani, na na-import nga ako nga 8080, which is na sa akong Docker file nga nakabutang 8080 port and here it is. Diga na siya. Muna kong admin site. And if ko sa customer, dapat ko customer of course. Customer poker. Customer. Tada. So, yes, this is my account. This is my customer. Yeah, it is verified. Muna ako ang links ako ang railway application. Home. And of course, mag-shop na diri. Tada. So, customer ni siya. So, let's go to my admin para makita niyo maka-edit mo sa akong kuan. So, let's go to my admin site. Um, here. So, makakita na napatay appointments. Napatay appointments, products. Pwede other products here. Let's try. After test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything. Price of 1 stock. 5. Food. Accessories. So, let's say, yeah, accessories na butang and create. Here, na siya nakaubos. Tara. So, products. Let's go to the products. Here it is. Test. And 5 available stocks and accessories. So, ato nakita is nagana ang ato ang crowd diri. And syempre, na-hosted na po siya sa ato ang railway. Na-deploy siya. And as you can see earlier, nakalagin po ta sa ato ang customer nga site, which is maka-register po ta as well. So, ito na yung i-log out. Okay. So, that's it. So, mao to siya ang akong overall nga flow sa ako ang system and how did I able to deploy it on the railway. So, ako ang mga challenges nga ako ang na-encounter jud is kung pag-connect sa symphony to MySQL po, okay ra siya nga part pero magalisod po ko dito sa Docker and sa Railway with the correct database URL. And next kay configuring environment variables. So, ang production mail and OAuth redirects work. And as well as ako ang running migration automatically on deploy without kanang pag-run ako sa ako ang migrations and pag-deploy nga walay maguba sa ako ang system or mga existing nga database and as well as getting GWT and CORS nga mag-work sa akong mobile API. Mao na akong mga big nga challenges that I have encountered in my system. Next is how did I able to solve deployment problems? Siyempre, of course, I documented variables sa ako ang deploy env then use a use a robust entry point that is h na dili mo to gamit ko robust entry point that is h to wait for the database and migrate and tested each feature on the live URL after every deploy. And of course, ako na-learn ani nga journey is deployment is not only uploading code. It requires correct env configuration, database schema management, and testing on the real host. And of course, you need to have a patience as well. And of course, using Docker locally made production in Railway more predictable because the same Docker file runs in both places. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and concludes our Fitz Poker project demonstration. Thank you.